Good morning, my dear students. Today we will start our chapter number 2, and the name of chapter is Keeping Healthy. Keeping healthy means to keep ourselves healthy. Now, the question arises, how can we keep ourselves healthy? There are so many ways to keep our body healthy, but the first and the important one is eat healthy, because what we eat is directly or closely linked to our health. Here, one more question arises, that how food can keep us healthy. And the answer is that food contains certain substances that are essential for us to live, grow, and stay healthy. And these components of food are called nutrients. Nutrients help our body to function properly and perform various activities. I am repeating once again that the components of the food help us to live, grow, and stay healthy, and those components are called nutrients. And nutrients also help our body to function properly and perform various activities. There are different kinds of nutrients present in our food, such as proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals, water and rough edges. All the nutrients present in our food perform different functions for our body. Today we will discuss about main two nutrients, proteins and carbohydrates. So let's start with proteins. Number 1, proteins. You all know that bodybuilders, they eat protein to build the body, okay, and they take other supplements also, and those supplements also contains proteins. Why they eat proteins? Because proteins build our body and help it to grow. One more function, protein makes our body taller and stronger. That's why proteins are very important for the children. Proteins are present in our hair, in our nails, in our organs because they help in the building of our body. Next function of protein is proteins help in repair and maintenance of our body. Proteins helps in repair and maintenance of our body. How proteins helps in repair and maintenance of our body? As you all know that our body is made up of cells. Old cells, they continuously dying and new cells continuously form, and these proteins helps in the formation of the new cells. That's why proteins help in repair and maintenance of our body. Now we will discuss about the sources of proteins, and the sources of proteins are milk, paneer, pulses, beans, eggs, chicken and mutton. This was all about the proteins, that proteins build our body and help it to grow. Protein makes our body taller and stronger. That's why proteins are very important for the children. And proteins helps in the repair and maintenance of our body. Now we will discuss about our next nutrient, that is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy for our body. Let's take one common example from our daily life, that whenever we feel tired in summers, what we do? We always prefer glucose. You always drink Glucon-D, na? And that Glucon-D contains glucose. And that glucose gives us instant energy. How glucose gives us instant energy? Because glucose is a carbohydrate, and carbohydrates are the main source of energy for our body. Okay, now our body perform various functions like breathing, digestion and circulation of blood, and many more activities taking place in our body. These activities require energy, and that energy is taken from the carbohydrates that we eat in our food. Our body needs carbohydrates to perform various physical activities also. Such as jumping, running, weightlifting, etc. And the energy required by the body for these physical activities is also taken by the carbohydrates, and these carbohydrates we eat in our food. Now we will discuss about the sources of carbohydrates, and the sources of carbohydrates are wheat, rice, fruits, potatoes, etc. There are many other sources of carbohydrates also. Thank you and have a nice day.